to express enjoyment or preference. Like something. Like to do. Like the idea. I like chocolate ice cream the most. She likes to read before bedtime. I really like the idea of starting a book club. To indicate similarity or comparison. Like a dream, like a pro, like a star. Had the performance was like a dream. He played the game like a pro. She danced like a star on the stage. To ask for preferences or descriptions. What's it like? How do you like? What's it like living in a big city? How do you like your coffee? Would you like some more tea? To express an approximation or example, like 5 minutes, like yesterday, what, like nothing else. It'll take like 5 minutes to get there. That event feels like yesterday. The sunset was beautiful, like nothing else I've seen. To show behavior or attitude, act like, behave like, think like. Don't like, you don't know what happened. He always tries to think like a customer when designing products. To indicate favor or support. Like someone, like an idea, like a plan hashtag. Everyone liked the new design for the app. I like the plan to expand our business overseas. Common collocations with like, feel like, sound like, look like, taste like. I feel like going for a walk. That sounds like a good plan. This dessert looks like a masterpiece. It tastes like fresh strawberries.